Welcome to the enchanting world of Royal Indoor MAPS, the ultimate indoor playing equipment designed exclusively for preschool kids. In this comprehensive assembly guide video, we take you on a step-by-step journey to unveil the magic and creativity behind our extraordinary product. Watch as we guide you through the intricate process of connecting various parts, ensuring a secure and seamless fit. Discover the joy of putting together a playground that promises hours of endless fun for your little ones. From vibrant slides to interactive play panels, each piece comes together like a puzzle, forming the perfect heaven for preschoolers to explore and thrive. Safety is our top priority. Learn the importance of each carefully placed screw as we demonstrate how to secure components with precision. Our meticulous approach guarantees a sturdy and reliable structure, providing peace of mind for parents and caregivers. Accurate measurements are key to creating the ideal play environment. Join us as we showcase the dimensions of Royal Indoor MAPS, ensuring that it fits seamlessly into any play area. From height to width, we've taken every detail into account to bring you a product that perfectly balances adventure and safety. Behold the final masterpiece. Witness the Royal Indoor MAPS come to life before your eyes, a vibrant and stimulating playground ready to captivate the imagination of preschoolers. This is more than just a product, it's a gateway to a world of exploration and creativity. Tailored for the unique needs of preschoolers, our product is a blend of durability, safety, and excitement. Order now to gift your little ones an unforgettable adventure right at home. Contact us today and make the first step towards creating a magical play space for your precious ones.